So this color change based on a really simple move. And for the cap or the head, it can be your, or you can borrow the cap from your audience. So you just first just hand over your deck from your left into your right. You just grab like this and you just turn over your body like this. And you just do a really simple move. All you do, you just curl and peel up the bottom card like this. So here, just come from here and flick and up your deck like this. So here, just flick and showing like this. And you do this move with the cover of your cap. So you just take your cap, you can show it, there's nothing hide in your cap. After that, you just come and execute the move and show it like this. So basically, you just do this move. And to do the check is really simple. You just curl again the bottom card like this. So one more time, from here, you just curl, show it like this, and close it again. And remember, you just do the move with the cover with your cap. So here, cover, execute the move, and show it like this. So basically, from the side, it looks like this. You just and you just close. So make sure it's really stick to your cap. And after that, you just wave and do this move and do the chain. So one more time from the exposing view. Remember, and over here, take your cap here and just execute. You just feel, after feel, you just touch your cap and showing like this. And after that, you can move or just simply do this, and that's the chain. So one more time, you can start by shuffling card. Remember, make sure you don't show the bottom card first to your spectator. Make sure you're just hiding. You grab and hide. Remember, don't show it the bottom card because this is will be the final card. Take your cap. Remember, if you don't wear a cap, you can borrow it from your spectator. Just borrow head from your spectator and execute the move. Here display for a moment. And remember, just do the chain. After that, you can hand back the cap to your spectator, or you just wear again to your head, and yep, you just take the final card and you can give it to your spectator for examination.